Hi guys, and it's this again. It's me again. It is me again. It's me again. It's me again. Well, so I'm gonna go to Creative Friends here, and I'm just gonna create. And guys, I want to show you something that you can do. And yeah, just do it like that. I hope you guys can see, or just face there, and then I'll do that. There we go. Isn't that better? I think it is. So, if I go up here, loud height, then if you go over here, as you can see, over here, you can kind of look under the world. If you say to me, it's kind of looking under the world. And you can just walk in the sky as you always wanted to. Well, I'm just a lone boy that can walk in the sky. Yeah, guys, it's a really cool thing, and it's really, really cool. As you can see, I'm just walking on the sky. It's not a cheat. Nothing enabled. Just walking on the sky. It's just a glitch. So guys, that's the end of this Minecraft video. So bye.